Hello and welcome, dear friends, in new lecture of our course Health and Safety Management System. We're still with Chapter 3, Health and Safety Management, Element number 2, the Organizing. First lecture we introduced the health and safety rules and responsibilities of everyone in the company. And today we start with a very important topic about the health and safety culture. All organizations have a culture which is not written down or even easily stated. It's a mix of formal and informal rules, relationships, values, and customs which taken together and describe the feel of the organization. And the organizational culture is the characteristic of the organization that exists at every level, from senior management to the shop floor workers. And no one person determines the culture of the organization, but all staff working for the organization determine it collectively. So we define health and safety culture as it's the way that everyone within the organization think and feel about health and safety, and how this translates into their behavior. In other words, we can define it as it's the way safety is recognized, valued, and prioritized in the organization, indicating how the organization or persons behave when no one is watching. To understand it more, we need to know the relation between safety culture and the performance in any organization. An organization will have either a positive safety culture or a negative one. In an organization with a positive safety culture, the majority of workers think and feel that health and safety is important. There is a strong policy and clear leadership from the top because senior management have this attitude, which runs through the whole organization from top to bottom. In an organization like this, you can see there is a clear link between safety culture and health and safety performance. People work safely, so there will be fewer accidents and less ill health. Also, there will be no delay in the production process, or no damage and no absence, and high morale to work. On the opposite side, in an organization with a negative safety culture, the majority of workers think that health and safety is not important. They are poorly educated in health and safety and see it's unnecessary or unimportant. And there is a lack of clear direction and leadership from senior management, and the manager don't think about health and safety in their decision making, and so let other priorities dictate their actions. And workers behave unsafely often because they don't know any better. So you will find a large number of accidents and ill health rate, and delay in production process and equipment damage, and the high absence rate. Actually, there are many factors lead to this negative culture and we must avoid. For example, the job insecurity and lack of management commitment to health and safety. Also poor management decision making and lack of supervision or lack of working resources, such as hand tools and equipment. The conclusion of our lecture is the positive culture will take the business up, while negative culture will for sure take the business down. Here's the end of our lecture for today. Thanks for watching and see you in next lecture.